Hey guys, this is Brad Medin here with Safariland. Talk to you about something really exciting. This is the Impulse Range Kit. It's a complete kit that you can use at the range. Everything you're gonna need, no matter if you're at an indoor range or an outdoor range. Heck, you can use this even on any kind of heavy equipment. This kit's gonna include the foam impulse hearing protection. It's a patented product that's gonna give you the capability of having 360 degrees natural hearing without batteries, but at the same time it's gonna protect you from impulse noises. This kit's also gonna include the HD Flex Eyewear. This is no normal eye protection. This kit is completely individually customized. You're able to adjust the stems, the length, and the tilt on the stems, and it's scratch resistant and fog resistant. This is just not a normal pair of eyewear. This is gonna offer you a lot more. In addition, we're listening to what everyone was looking for. A nice set of slim earmuffs that you could wear as your secondary means of hearing protection. So if you're at the range, things starting to get a little bit too loud while you're wearing your foam impulse plugs, you just simply slap these on. They're not going to be big and bulky. They're going to offer you that second layer of protection, indoor range or outdoor range. And then when you're done with it, you just fold up nice and tight and you can just stick them right in your range bag. Make sure to check out the Impulse Range Kit at Safariland.com.